G'day, it's Roger again from Derico Engineering. We're the manufacturers of the UGLY Annealer and now the UGLY SRT, the shoulder reference trimmer. This is our latest product, very proud of it. When it arrives, you'll see that Australia, the collet comes separately. In America, it'll be installed. But if you're in Australia, it's not very hard, just do this. Done. If you need to take it out, our tool makes it nice and easy. It's not a beer, don't try and pop it off. Pull it out like that. It's great, super easy to use. In the following videos, I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to use it. This time what we're going to be talking about is setting it up for the very first time. I've loosened off the grub screws. You've got 2 on the main body and 1 on the micro adjustment ring. Just enough so that the cutting blade can move quite freely. I'm going to put my collet in. I'm going to take a piece of brass, which is standard SAMI length. You may want to confirm that. All you need to do is put it in, rest it on the table, just ensure your blade is touching the top of the brass, and tighten up your grub screws just enough so that it's not going to move. Don't over tighten them. That's always bad for your grub screws. And that's it. We have that set, and every piece of brass you use now will be cut to that length. Okay, now we're going to talk about using the micro adjustment ring to precisely set your lengths. We're very proud of the micro adjustment ring. It's our innovation and very easy to use. Let's assume that we've set that at standard SAMI length. Now you want your brass to be shorter, so it's very easy to do. What we do is we loosen off the ring, and now you can see it moves quite freely. Your color is stationary, but we're going to put a 0.15 feeler gauge in because for purposes of the demonstration, and I tighten up the top ring. Now what I've done is I've put a 0.15 gap in, I loosen the main body, push it down and tighten it up again. Being careful not to over tighten my grub screws so I don't damage the thread. And what I've done is I've moved the blade down 0.15 mil. Perfectly. If you don't have a feeler gauge and you just want to use something like a piece of paper, that's about 0.1 of a mil. If I want to increase it so my brass is longer, what I do first of all is I loosen the main body, put in the feeler gauge I want. That increases the height. I tighten up the main body again. And now what I've done is I've lifted up the blade so my brass will be cut longer. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the SRT in action. I've installed it into a cordless drill. We're using a Hitachi on high gear, low speed. You can use it in a drill press. If you want to know the RPMs, about 1200 to 2500 RPM, which is reasonably fast. What you need to do is have the drill running, and while it's running, push it in, gentle pressure, you'll feel it cutting, and then it'll stop cutting and you'll stop see it shaving. Then press full pressure, and that'll make sure that you get a consistent result, eliminating any play, and then pull it out obviously while it's still running. So don't stop the running at any point in time. So I'll demonstrate. Running, gentle cutting, full pressure, pull it out, done. Easy as that.